Hey there everybody. Today is Monday, 25th day of September 2023, and that's around 12:15 or so in the afternoon. And you can look here at this sign, and where I'm at is I'm just outside of Levelland, Texas, and this is their free RV camp. You can pause that and read all those rules if you want, but honestly, it's pretty much about the same as all the others that we've ever done. Show you this small one right beside it. Here, if you want to pause that, you can see you get free 3 days or 3 free nights really, and it's $25 after that you can stay a week if you read those rules, and so you could stay here a total of 10 days if you wanted. This is 385 out here in front of us, this road that you see. If you're heading down that way, you're going south and you're going to Brownfield. Wow. Going that way, you're going north and you're heading right to Levelland, and it's less than a mile that way. You see those gray buildings and stuff in the distance down there? That's the airport. This thing's right beside the airport. It hasn't been active other than one plane since we've been here. This is our last night. Come tonight. We will be here 3 nights. Of course, we're leaving tomorrow morning. There's 2 entrance access points. Right here is one on the south side. Right over here is the other one on the north side. So the best thing to do, you can see these pull-through spots here. When you're coming in here, if you're coming from Levelland, so if you're heading south, you'd want to come down to the second one and come in right here. And you can see you can go right, and then you can just pull right on through to whichever spot you want of one of these 5. And then that, of course, is the best way to go out over there. These are not full hookup. These are water and electric. There is a dump station over there. We'll wind up with that in a couple of minutes here. And I'll show you this guy here. He just came in. The bigger, nicer one there, that just came here yesterday. And the fellow over there next to us, he's been here. He was here before we ever got here. So what I'm on right now, this is just a little, part of the road that goes through here. And over here is 2 spots. And here, just to show you real quick, that's the best way to go out and not come in. That is not a spot there in front of us. That's just a spot people seem to pull in here and sit for a while, sit in the shade, maybe have their lunch, that sort of thing. I don't know. But these are 2 spots right here that make up the 7. So 5 pull-throughs here. These are both pull-throughs as well. And that trail runner you see there, that's been there since we've been here. This, which is definitely illegal, because these are for, RVs. This is the other spot. They all have electric and water. Electric water, and no sewer here. And so this just happened apparently overnight, because we just noticed it this morning. So you can take a look and you do the math. So there's some nice trees and some shade. Right here you got 2 dumpsters right here. And here, this spot has been open since we've been here. And this is our spot right here. So as a general thing here, I'll tell you that you can see this goes back here. Basically, I'd be standing at the road right now. So from the back of my truck, literally out to here, I could be using that much if I really wanted to or needed to, but obviously, with what I've got here, I don't need to. And you can see the trailer sitting here. So, like I said, we got here Saturday, so we'll be here Saturday night, Sunday night. Tonight's Monday night, so this will be our final night. And right here is the incoming road. And you can see we've still got a few feet right here that we would be capable of using if we want to. And then right over here, you can see is the dump station. Right here. So it's, of course, is right there in the middle. You can see that. There is a hose setting there. So there is water right here. So that's smashed on that end. So you could hook that up and use it to clean out your hose, that sort of thing, for that. And so that's that. So once again, you've got 5 spots right here lined up right in a row. And then the 2 back over there. And that's what you got here. Free water and electric, and then a dump and your trash there. At night it's very quiet. The airport, this is the most active day that we've seen since we've been here, and though you don't really hear it now, I mean, I've heard probably 4 or 5 planes in the last 30 to 40 minutes, either landing or taking off. And but other than that, I mean, it's been quiet, it's been peaceful. It's not quite level right here. If you look down here, you can see I've had to go up on a ramp right there. It's unlevel on this side, but now we're perfectly level. So all that's good. And a lot of trees out through there, and then up front, we'll tell you, the flies, they're not bad right now, but since we've been here, the flies have been really bad, gnats, and even mosquitoes. So this isn't the best place to set out. We did set out up towards the front there where I started this video a little bit last night, but we didn't stay out too long. Had to give up and come back in. But here I'll show you their sign they've got right here. And of course that's what all these free things are about, is spending some time in the cities. They do have a Walmart and a number of restaurants. They have a Brahms, which we went to. And of course a number of gas stations and all that. So gas has been $3.45 at the cheapest here at Walmart, now to fill up 66, which is at a United supermarket as of this recording here. So that'll just about do it. And I will go ahead and get this one up, and hopefully you can view it, and it'll help you on your travels and all that good stuff. So I'll end it here, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye now.